Hi friend, I hope you are fine. Today I will give you Office identity card templates in two formats, one for Photoshop and second for Adobe Illustrator. So I show you first folder of Illustrator, one color, second color, and second folder of Photoshop files in PSD format, ID card back, ID card front. So open second folder, Adobe Illustrator, AI files and PSD file. These files have different colors. This time my laptop have no installation of Adobe Illustrator, so I will show you design of this card. Open with preview, and you can change any color, and you just here your image, John, copy your name here and your designation here in your office or etc if you like. ID number, blood, AB, phone number and QR bar, so you can change it is very easily. So firstly I drag in Photoshop 2018. I wanna show you how to edit. You see here in layers area you can see different group of layers. First extract detail, John, and writing details, and the second group of logos and barcode, third shape and image, and last background. So first I change this picture, double click here, open picture. I have no any picture, so I use this type of picture. So open this and drag to circle. Sorry, this file have a high definition resolution, so I convert to 200. Okay, and drag to this box. Depend on your own self. I create this for samples. Now right click and create clipping mask and your image insert in circle. Control S for saving. You see here this image in circle, and you can change color, be like this, white or yellow etc if you like. So I change the name here, Sheri Sk. SK means Shiraz. My designation is graphic designer, so I write here graphic designer, GRAPHICS BC graphic designer. I have no ID number or my blood group is O positive, so you need this font. I have no font installed in my laptop. My phone number is plus 92 is my country code. Sorry, 92314155143202 is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me if you need any help related this type files or downloading issues. So you write here, you see here, you can change different, you can make different style, be like this, or you depend on your own self, you see. But you can change color. You right click and then click FX and gradient overlay, you see here, and right click here. You can change these colors or convert in gradients overlay, depend on your own self. Purple color or dark red, blue or black. So okay, you can just change color and you can change background color. Double click here and you can change if you like. FX clicks gradients overlay. So I open second file, I mean back file, drag in Photoshop, and you write here detail of your technician or your experience, etc. Join date, expire date, signature, holder, etc. Write your own font, and you change color here. Please subscribe my channel. Take care. Best of luck. God bless.